Next tayo, sisi ko, another sumpi, comfy dress po, viscose ang tela, 780, 780. Code ako, pa-tiered po ito ha, pa-tiered. Code ako dito, summer. Code is summer, pa-code ako ng summer. Size medium on tag, kasya hanggang ganda, sisi ko, look at that. Size is medium, ladies ha, mga pang on the go, pang church, pang event, okay lang. Size 10, hello po, 114 viewers. And then, working po ang mga botones. Complete ang botones yan, sisi ko. Size medium, 880, 880. Code ako dito ng red floral. Code is red floral. Size is medium. Code is red floral. 880, 880. Code for this one is red floral. Highly recommended. Napakaganda po. Red floral. Code is red floral. Size medium. Ito po, size is large. Mamahali na brand.
Na si Ma'am Isa.
Yes, Madam Isa, ito pa bebe ko. Size po nito is size large po ha. Bardo siya, sisi ko, bardo. Pa-heart ang neckline, napakaganda. Code ako dito ng heart. Size ako dito ng, ang size is large. Code ako dito ng heart. Code is heart. Pa-code ako dito ng heart. Code is heart po. Code is heart. Pa-code ako ng heart. Madam Isa. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Ayun sa red floral po. First si Ma'am Isa, second si Ma'am Christine, third po si Ma'am Dani.
Okay, next tayo, ladies. Ito pa. XL to 2XL, XL to 2XL. 880, code is princess. Code is princess, napakaganda po. Plakado, makapal po ha. Look at that, sisi ko. Code ako dito, princess. 880, extra large ha. Large to XL, kaya pa po ito hanggang 2XL
Black heart
ha.
na si Ma'am Gracia.
Code is princess.